File Formats 1. Video File Formats. In this lesson, we are going to see all the frequently used file formats categorized in different categories. All file formats are mainly divided into video file formats, image file formats, audio and special file formats. So, let's start with video file formats. Let's see some of the common video file formats during video making. Microsoft AVI, Audio-Video Interleave. This is one of the frequently used video file formats, which is a special case of Resource Interchange File Formatting, RIFF. .avi is defined by Microsoft. The .avi file format is the most common format for audio and video data on a computer. Audio content or video content that is compressed with a wide variety of codecs can be stored in an .avi file and played in a Windows media player, if the appropriate codecs are installed on the computer. Mpeg develops the Motion Picture Experts Group, Mpeg standards. This standard permits the coding of progressive video at a transmission rate of about 1.5 million bits per second, bps. This file format was designed specifically for use with video CD and CD-I media. The most common implementations of the Mpeg-1 standard provide a video resolution of 352 by 240 at 30 frames per second, FPS. When you use this standard, the quality is slightly lower than your typical VCR video. Files that use the .m1v extension typically are Mpeg-1 elementary streams that contain only video information. Files that use .mpg or .mpeg extensions are typically Mpeg-1 system streams that contain Mpeg-1 encoded video and Mpeg-1 Layer 2, MP2, encoded audio. Mpeg-4, .mp4. Mpeg-4 is an international standards organization, ISO, specification that covers many aspects of multimedia presentation, including compression, authoring, and delivery. Although video compression and file container definitions are two separate and independent entities of the Mpeg-4 specification, many people incorrectly believe that the two are interchangeable. You can implement only portions of the Mpeg-4 specification and remain compliant with the standard. The Mpeg-4 file format, as defined by the Mpeg-4 specification, contains Mpeg-4 encoded video and advanced audio coding, AAC. Encoded audio content. It typically uses the .mp4 extension. Windows Media Player does not support the playback of the .mp4 file format. You can play back .mp4 media files in Windows Media Player when you install Direct Show compatible Mpeg-4 decoder packs. Direct Show compatible Mpeg-4 decoder packs include the Ligos LSX Mpeg player and the NVIVO TV. Flash Video. Flash Video is a container file format used to deliver video over the Internet using Adobe Flash Player versions 6 to 10. Flash video content may also be embedded within SWF files. There are two different video file formats defined by Adobe Systems and supported in Adobe Flash Player FLV and F4V. The audio and video data within FLV files are encoded in the same way as they are within SWF files. The format has quickly established itself as the format of choice for embedded video on the web. Notable users of the Flash video format include YouTube, Google Video, Yahoo Video, MetaCafe, Reuters.com, BBC, and many other news providers. Quicktime Movie Dot Mov. Apple Computer developed the Quicktime file format to create, edit, publish, and view multimedia files. Quicktime format can contain video, animation, graphics, 3D, and virtual reality content. Only Quicktime files version 2.0 or earlier can be played in the Windows Media Player. Later versions of Quicktime require the proprietary Apple Quicktime Player. Windows Media .wmv. Windows Media Video .wmv files are advanced systems format .asf files that include audio, video, or both compressed with Windows Media Audio and Windows Media Video codecs, WMA and WMV. By using a separate extension, you can install multiple players on your computer and associate certain players with the .wmv extension for playback of audio and video sources. Shockwave Flash Object .swf. SWF stands for Small Web Format, later changed to Shockwave Flash by Macromedia, then again changed back to Small Web Format. SWF currently functions as the dominant format for displaying animated vector graphics on the web, far exceeding the use of the W3C Open Standard SVG, which has met with problems over competing implementations. It may also be used for programs, commonly games, using ActionScript. SWF files can be generated from within several Adobe products, Flash, Flex Builder, and IDE, as well as through MXMLC, a command-line application compiler which is part of the freely available Flex SDK.